If you feel like you just don't know how to properly sculpt your face, I'm here to teach you. And there are products out there on the market like this Patrick Ta one that simplify even more for you. These are the Patrick Ta Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duos. This is their for contour 2 brush. I'm obsessed with this. I'm using shade She's Bronze, and with this side of the dual-ended brush, I'm just gonna start picking up that product. This brush literally stamps the product exactly where it's supposed to be. Of course, I'm gonna take it up to the forehead and down the temples. I like to do patting motions instead of sweeping, so I'm not moving the foundation that I already have down. This on the jaw as well. Flipping that brush around, I'm now picking up the bronzer shade. I'm just pressing that over the cream. Okay, so here we have one side done. You can just see how much that sculpted and lifted the face. It's not too overwhelming and still looks natural and still like skin. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Okay guys, makeup is done and here is the final look. One of my favorite things about Patrick Ta's products is they really just look like skin. It's still natural, it's not overdone, and the fact that it's a 2-in-1 product, even better. But let me know what you guys think and if you try it out.